In this video, I'm going to show you how to change out your storm door closer. Some people call it a piston or an actuator. All those mean the same thing. If you're going to replace this because it is seemingly not working, maybe your storm door is slamming shut, or maybe it's not shutting at all, before you replace it, this little screw right here, you can adjust it and you bring it out like this, and that will give the door less tension, so it will slam shut. If you tighten it like this, all the way, let's tighten it all the way, just so you can have an example. That will make it so that it is really tight and your door will take forever to close. In fact, it's not closing. So we'll adjust this. And you can adjust it either way you want to make it work for you. But if you have determined that it is not working and needs to be replaced, a lot of times your door will be slamming shut. This is how you do it, and you don't need any tools. One thing you could do is take a look at this, even take it off and take it to the store and get the exact one that's here already so that you don't have to replace any of the hardware. So this is what you do. Just put a little tension on this. Take this pin out right here first, like that. And then you can let go of this and take this pin off. Now at this point, if you do have to replace the hardware and you got the same one, you can remove these screws and just replace it. There's one screw right here, and then this will pop off if this is the type you get. And then there's two more screws behind here, very long screws that go into the door frame. You want to have those long screws in there because if you just go into the door jamb, over time it can easily rip out of this. So make sure you put the long screws in there. If you got a different door closer, at this point you can install it, and all the pieces are pretty similar. You'll have something attached over here and something over here. In order to figure out where to put that, you can attach this piece first, and then you can take your door closer, and right here, if it is this type, what you do is pull this out, and at the same time you want to put this clip, this is the clip that holds your door open, just pull it like this, and I like to leave about 1/4 of an inch or so, maybe 3/8, just like that. And that will tell you kind of where to put this piece. As you can see, that's pretty much what I did last time. Now there are two holes here. Either one is fine. The only difference is that this further hole this way will make it so the door will basically slam more, and this one will make it, give it more resistance so it doesn't slam as much. So you can play around with that. It's up to you. Either way, it doesn't matter. You can put it wherever you want. You reinstall this. If you had to do your hardware, you do your hardware. Put this short pin in here, and then line this one up here, and you may need to pull this out, and then you may need to adjust this as well. That'll be good. Put the long pin in there, and then you should be all set. Give it a test, and then adjust this screw accordingly. That's pretty good. Hopefully that helps. Super easy to replace this, but you might not know where to start. So hopefully this video will help you out.